Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Animal Company got their Easter update and it's pretty cool. I wouldn't say it's the best update because they didn't really do that much. They kind of just like changed up mines a little bit. They added new area and forest. They had whatever that is. I even have the brand new item and I'm going to show it off to you guys. They also for some reason added box fans and some new bundles, so I think we should just begin. I'm moving at like 1 frame per second. Alright, let's just begin with the brand new bundle, the Delta Hair bundle. It just looks like that. Honestly, I might get it because it looks pretty cool. They also added like all this. They had a box fans, and I thought this was like some kind of like rare item. Can't. This is what they do. By the way, they haven't added like anything to Tech Tree. I don't think so. Yeah, that's really it. That has an only fan though. There's like 50 fans now. Yeah, it just launches you. I think it's just like a quick way to get around. Oh shoot, wait, my clover. Should probably get a weapon though. Shoot, a fan can get really annoying. Guys, I'm poor. Alright, let's go explore. Here it is. It's a secret shop. Yeah. So you can just buy the sticker gun, that's where I got it. This maze. Basically, how it works is you have to get it all around the maze. And then you get to the chicken. Yo! Alright. New goal. Get to the... So, they added the cardboard box, but I'm actually going to show you the secret item that you get for completing the maze. It's probably going to be extremely rare. This is kind of a short update, but I guess I had the cardboard box where you could just like fly around with it. Box looks kind of like the exact same. This side up. Let's see how much it sells for because it just spawns it. Let's stash this in a safe place. Here, looks good. What? So shoot. Just put this cardboard box up. Alright. This right here. This is the Easter egg. You get it for completing the maze, and it's honestly really cool. I might go dupe one of these bad boys, and we'll make like a hopefully make like a galaxy one. It also changes. Look, look at that! Isn't that cool? It like changes colors. It can also change designs. Very Sigma. Look at that new design and new colors. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a rare item. I'd get it if I were you. So, yeah, that's kind of the Easter update. Thanks for this video. I hope you learned more about the Easter update. I didn't even know there was a cardboard box. So yeah, they also cleaned up the lava.
La 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 lava.